Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Today we're going to be doing an Hermes unboxing. So let's get started. I have 4 items to share with you. So let's get to the good stuff. I'm not going to go in any particular order. So I'll just go ahead and start unboxing. Now this first item I did pick up online on Hermes.com. And this item is, some of you may already guess, it is a belt. It is the Mini Constance. If I can get this off, give me just a second. It is the Mini Constance 24 millimeter belt with gold hardware, and I did get it in black and gold. Now the leather on here is Swift and Epsom leather. So there's the beautiful gold color, and then you have the black color. And let's check out this gold buckle. Let's go ahead and peel that sticker off. Oh, there's some beautiful, well, I didn't help out here. My fingers for my lotion all over the buckle. Okay. But that's that beautiful gold hardware. Here she is. And I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. I haven't gotten to try on this belt yet. So let's see how she looks. Now this belt does retail for $665 in the USA. So you just slide her through and go through one of the holes. Alrighty, so there she is on. And this belt is reversible, so I am happy to have this new belt in my collection. Now the next item we'll go ahead and open is this small little package here. And this was a gift. And this is this adorable little Oran bag charm. Now the Oran bag charm that I have is Epsom leather in black, and then it has the calf skin strap. Now I did go ahead and bring out the bag so you can see how the little bag charm looks on the bag. And the bag has finally made it through the door. I have used it a couple of times, so she has seen daylight. But that is just absolutely adorable. And this Oran bag charm does retail in the USA for about $5.90. So cute. The third item that I'm gonna unbox with you, right here. The box is a little bigger. And this, if I can get it open, we have 2 dust bags. So it is shoes. And this is called the Ijerie sandal. So it is a rubber sandal, and it has that matte finish with the chain motif and then a shiny finish. Now I am a big fan of Hermes's rubber sandals. I do have the Aloha sandal with the chain motif as well, and I absolutely love them. Some people think it's leather. It doesn't even look like rubber, but this is the Aloha sandal. Very comfortable. I want to say they're more comfortable than my Oran sandals, but they just look absolutely beautiful. And I did want to go ahead and try the thong sandal. So when I saw these, they were $295 in the USA, which is a great price point. And the Alohas are around the same price, a little bit more. So there she is. And I'll pull out the other pair so you can see. Well, the other shoe, not the other pair. Okay. So there are the sandals in black. And they're called Ijari. And the last item that I have to unbox, when I went to the mall the other day, I was lucky enough to get this. The lady said that she had just gotten it in. Okay, if I can do this. Alrighty. And if you guys watched my last video, you know that I'm obsessed with little trinkets for my handbag. So I did go ahead and pick up this Rodeo, and the Rodeo is made in lambskin leather. And I chose the So Black color. So let's go ahead and, since we have the bag out, we can take off the little Oran charm. And let's see how this one, my new little horse, looks. Now I'm not gonna go crazy with a lot of Hermes bag charms, but I do like a couple. But they are quite pricey. This one retails in the USA for $4.90 plus the tax. But it just looks so adorable on the black. I like that look. Okay. And there is the bag and the bag charm. And I plan on wearing it just like that with the lock on one side, and then whatever bag charm that I'm going to use will be on the other side. Well, I do appreciate you guys unboxing these items with me. So thank you, and until next time, God bless you, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.